What's up, my Fit After 40 fam? Look, we back. I'm back. I apologize for being gone. I just finished running a mile. I've been neglecting y'all. I've been neglecting myself. So I apologize. It's almost like it ended before it started, or started before it ended, whichever way. But look, we back. I just knocked down the mile. It's pretty slow. I'm gonna leave the results right here so you guys can see it. But look, let's get moving. Let's get active. Welcome me back. I welcome you back. I apologize for being gone. Hold me accountable. Leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe. We back. Let's get it on. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video with some exercises. We're gonna talk about water. We're gonna talk about the benefits of eating right and getting healthy. So I apologize. I packed on a few pounds, but I'm here with you. If you rock with me, I'll rock with you. All right, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Let's go.